Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. I am Riza Manumbaga Branya from Libertad Itiague, Isabela, Philippines. I am 29 years old. I am married with two children, 9-year-old boy and 3 years old girl. I am high school graduate. I have experience as a helper in Philippines since 2016 to 2020 and also in Hong Kong for 1 year. My main duties there was to care of a baby, do house chores like cleaning and washing clothes, do marketing and also cooking Chinese food. I promise to fulfill my responsibilities as a helper and give my very best work to hard and also learning more Chinese foods. I am trustworthy, I am hardworking. I know that it was hard to work away from them, but I do sacrifice to earn money, to support my family financially, and to provide them for a better future. I'm willing to have this job and to render my service. I hope to see you soon, my future employer. Again, I'm Riza Manumbaga Branya. Thank you and good day.